Under 30 minutes from start to finish, guys. A delicious sausage, pepper, and onion sandwich on a keto-friendly brioche bun. Are you in? I'm in. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen where sometimes we do it keto, sometimes we do it low carb, but we always do it delicious. Now, for the longest time, I was a holdout on getting an air fryer. I'd see them, they just never made sense to me. That little drawer, what are you going to do? Make French fries? What are you going to do with it? Well, I'm going to tell you, you're going to do a lot with it. This thing has basically replaced my countertop convection oven. And today, we're going to be making a delicious sausage, pepper, and onion sandwich, which is on my low-carb, keto-friendly roll in 20 minutes from frozen to finished. So let's get to it. Here's what we have for our ingredients. Real simple. We got 4 bell peppers. Now, I just chose to keep this multicolored. You can do whatever you want. I happen to like this color combination. We got 1 red onion, 1 yellow onion, but you could do 2 of any kind of onion you'd like. We've got a frozen package of Italian sausage. You could use mild, you could use hot, you could even use bratwursts. Got a little bit of olive oil, and we've got some Himalayan sea salt with black pepper and garlic. Then we're going to serve this on our keto-friendly brioche roll. Look at that thing. Soft, delicious. I cannot wait. I have our onions peeled and cut in half, so we'll go ahead now and slice them and get them into the air fryer basket. And now that I've cried me a river cutting those onions, we'll go ahead and cut up the bell peppers. Okay, we'll cut up the other 3 peppers in like fashion, and then we'll go to the next step. Now we're going to go ahead and add a liberal amount of olive oil. And then we're going to, on top of that olive oil, put some of this sea salt, garlic powder, pepper, and then toss it up. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take our thingamabob. I don't even know what this thing is called. If somebody knows what this is called, put it in the comments section. I'm going to call it a thingamabob for now. We're going to put the thingamabob on top of the vegetables, and then we are going to take our 5 frozen stiff Italian sausages and put them into the basket on top of the thingamabob. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. Alexa, set the air fryer for 20 minutes at 400 degrees.
Air frying for 20 minutes at 400 degrees.
Now what we're going to do is we're going to let this go for 12 minutes, and then we're going to flip our sausages over. See you in 12 minutes. Okay, guys, it's been 12 minutes, so let's get these sausages flipped over. And you can see they're already starting to brown up nicely. Look at them pretty boys. We get this flipped over. And back into the dual blaze for 8 more minutes. All right, guys, moment of truth. Oh, nice. There we go, guys. Look at that. We're going to go ahead and get our sausages out onto a plate. Ooh. Look at those. Perfectly browned on both sides. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, now remember that trick that I told you in a previous video, how to take the thingamabob out? You take a fork, you put it into one of these little things and gently lift it out. And that stops you from burning your fingers. So we're going to go ahead now and get the vegetables into a bowl, and then we're going to make us a sandwich. See you in a minute. Are you ready, guys? Because I'm ready. Let's do this. Take some more veggies. Get it on a roll. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. There we go. And then the sausage. Ooh. Can we even close it? That's my question. We're going to find out when I see you at the table. All right, guys. No need for a long introduction. Let's just dive right into this thing. This bun is so amazing. I mean, I could pinch it. It holds together really nice. It's soft. Oh my goodness. Let's just get a little bite. First, we're going to get a little nibble of this vegetable here. Mm. And now we're going to get to the fun part. Guys, this is as good as it gets. Under 30 minutes. Under 5 grams of carbs. I'm going to finish this off. I'll see you back in the kitchen. And that's just how easy it is to make a delicious sausage, pepper, and onion sandwich from frozen to finish in 20 minutes. Guys, I can't say enough about this 6.8 liter Cosori dual blaze air fryer. I put a link in the description below if you're interested in it. And if you like this video, do me a favor, click the like button. And if you want to see more content like this, click the subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell. I'll catch you on the next one.